On the first day of Christmas, we gave our community workshops to save energy. On the second day of Christmas, we gave our community 2 energy heroes and workshops to save energy. On the third day of Christmas, we gave our community free home repairs, 2 energy heroes and workshops to save energy. On the fourth day of Christmas, we gave our community 4 power hour meetings, free home repairs, 2 energy heroes and workshops to save energy. On the fifth day of Christmas, we gave our community great water quality, 4 power hour meetings, free home repairs, 2 energy heroes and workshops to save energy. On the sixth day of Christmas, we gave our community angel gifts to land, great water quality, 4 power hour meetings, free home repairs, 2 energy heroes and workshops to save energy. On the seventh day of Christmas, we gave our community United Way Day of Caring, angel gifts to land, great water quality, 4 power hour meetings, free home repairs, 2 energy heroes and workshops to save energy. On the eighth day of Christmas, we gave our community art contest winners, United Way Day of Caring, angel gifts to land, great water quality, 4 power hour meetings, free home repairs, 2 energy heroes and workshops to save energy. On the ninth day of Christmas, we gave our community free heaters and blankets, art contest winners, United Way Day of Caring, angel gifts to land, great water quality, 4 power hour meetings, free home repairs, 2 energy heroes and workshops to save energy. On the 10th day of Christmas, we gave our community storm restoration, free heaters and blankets, art contest winners, United Way Day of Caring, angel gifts to land, great water quality, 4 power hour meetings, free home repairs, 2 energy heroes and workshops to save energy. On the 11th day of Christmas, we gave our community classroom donation, storm restoration, free heaters and blankets, art contest winners, United Way Day of Caring, angel gifts to land, great water quality, 4 power hour meetings, free home repairs, 2 energy heroes and workshops to save energy. On the 12th day of Christmas, we gave our community 80 years of service, classroom donation, storm restoration, free heaters and blankets, art contest winners, United Way Day of Caring, angel gifts to land, great water quality, 4 power hour meetings, free home repairs, 2 energy heroes and workshops to save energy.
Well, it's that time of year again. It's the holiday season. At Memphis Light, Gas and Water, we want to thank you for the opportunity we've had to serve you this year. It's been a long year. We've had a lot of challenges this year. We've had storm restoration issues that we've had to deal with, where we've had to have engagement with our customers in a number of different ways. We want to thank you for the opportunity to serve you as we've been out and speaking to you about different things that are going on in this community. This is a time of year where families come together. We want to encourage you to enjoy time with your families. We want to encourage you to know that we are looking forward to 2020 and providing even better quality of service to you next year. Thank you for allowing us to be a part of your community here at Memphis Light, Gas and Water. We wish you and your family a Merry Christmas and a blessed holiday season.